If Grammarly is showing the error message something went wrong, don't worry, because in this video I'll walk you through the most common fixes, step by step, so you can get it working again fast. This is a super frustrating issue, especially when you're trying to write, edit, or finish something important, but the good news is that in many cases the solution is simple. We'll start with the easiest fixes first, then move into a couple of deeper checks that usually solve the problem. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes like this. First, disable your VPN or proxy if you're using one. Grammarly can sometimes have trouble connecting properly when a VPN or proxy is active, because it may interfere with the service's normal network access. If you have a VPN app running, turn it off completely, and then refresh Grammarly. If you're using a proxy in your browser or system settings, switch that off as well and try again. In many cases, this alone can clear the issue and let Grammarly reconnect normally. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Over time, stored browser data can become corrupted or outdated, and that can cause Grammarly to behave unexpectedly. To do this, open your browser settings, find the Privacy or History section, and choose the option to clear browsing data. Make sure cache and cookies are included, then clear them and restart your browser. After that, go back to Grammarly and check whether the error is gone. This is one of the most common fixes for strange loading or sign-in issues. If you're using Grammarly in a web browser, the next step is to reinstall the extension. Go to your browser's extensions page and remove the Grammarly extension completely. Once it's deleted, open the official web store for your browser and download Grammarly again from the official source. Reinstalling the extension can fix broken files, outdated components, or corrupted install data that may be causing the error. After reinstalling, sign back in and test it again. If the issue still continues, check whether Grammarly is experiencing an outage. Sometimes the problem isn't on your device at all. Grammarly may be dealing with server maintenance, a temporary outage, or unexpected downtime that affects sign-in or writing features. The best way to confirm this is to visit the official Grammarly status page and look for any active incidents or service disruptions. If their systems are down, you may just need to wait until Grammarly resolves the issue on their end. Once you've gone through these steps, try Grammarly again and see if the error is fixed. In most cases, one of these 4 solutions will solve the problem: turning off a VPN or proxy, clearing cache and cookies, reinstalling the browser extension, or checking for a Grammarly outage. If you want, you can also restart your browser or device after making the changes, because that can help apply the fix properly. I hope this helped you get rid of the something went wrong error in Grammarly. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.